Hey everyone, this is Pooja. Welcome to Sapadshala's recipe vlogs. Today I've brought to you a video completely dedicated to the king of fruits, mango. Mango season is here and we all love relishing its sweet pulp. Mango is a rich source of beta-carotene which helps in the production of vitamin A. It is also a good source of vitamin C. You must be surprised to know that the average size of mango provides up to 2/3 a person's daily requirement of vitamin C. Did you know mangoes, when had in moderation, can also aid in weight loss? That is because of the phytochemicals present in its skin and also the mango pulp, which is rich in dietary fibers. These dietary fibers keep us satiated for a longer time and hence we consume less of those fatty snacks. Well, I live in Dubai and the mangoes which we get here are mostly imported from India. And the season has just started here. So the mangoes which I have used were not too sweet. You might want to taste your mangoes for the sweetness and then adjust the sugar in each of these recipes accordingly. Well, if you are using Alfonso mangoes, you could even skip the addition of extra sugar. So here are 3 simple recipes which you can try for the mango season. The first is a mango lassi, or you can also call it mango yogurt smoothie. This is best for the mid-morning drink and it will keep you full till the lunchtime. The second is a mango gelato or a vegan mango ice cream, you may say. This can also be consumed as a mid-morning snack, or it is a best option for desserts after lunch. The third is a mango salad, which can go as dinner option all by itself or as a side along with your rotis and sabjis. Now let's see how to make all of this.
Now you must be wondering, what is a gelato? Why can't we just call it an ice cream? An ice cream is a mixture of milk, cream, sugar and some flavoring agents, and it must minimum contain 10% of butterfat for the creaminess. Whereas a gelato is a mixture of milk, cream, sugar and flavoring agents, but here the butterfat amount is very less, say 4 to 5% depending upon the recipe. Also, a gelato is not churned for long, giving it a rich flavor and a denser mouthfeel. Now, there is another famous frozen dessert known as sorbet, which is basically frozen ice. It is a dairy-free frozen dessert made with sweetened water and flavorings. Sometimes even wine or liquor can be used. Just imagine the mocktails and cocktails frozen into ice and served. Now that you know the difference between ice cream, gelato and sorbet, next time I'm sure you'll get the terms right. Now let's prepare a vegan mango gelato with just 3 ingredients. Obviously mangoes for the sweetness and flavor, cashew nuts or cashew milk for the richness and dates for the sweetness.
Here are a few quick tips which may help you in getting a perfectly smooth gelato. So here I have used dates as a sweetener. If you don't find dates, you may also use honey for a smoother texture. The second and the most important tip. For best results, you should be freezing your gelato mix in a flat metal dish. You can also cover the metal dish with a sheet of foil paper so that you prevent the top layer of the gelato from forming ice crystals. The third tip is to just check if your gelato is frozen properly after 3 hours. Well, after 3 hours, if you observe that it has few ice crystals, what you can do is you can just take the entire frozen mix, churn it again in your mixer for very little time and then freeze it again for 2 hours. This way, your gelato will always stay creamy. You can store this for 2 to 3 days and then consume it whenever you wish. Well, the first 2 recipes was for a sweeter version of mangoes. So as I said before, the mangoes which we get here are still not that sweet or a little tasteless, I would say. So what would you do with those kind of mangoes? So if you find mangoes which are not too sweet or too sour or tasteless, you can prepare this interesting salad. The complete recipe and measurements will be available in the description box below. Well, if you like my videos, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get immediate notification. Until next time, happy eating and bye-bye.